Hey guys, Haley here at the Nature Box Pet YouTube area. It is brand new. You saw it on Instagram. It is premiering in this video. And speaking of this video, we are going to be feeding some snakes, so stick around to see it. To start our feeding video off is the Nicaraguan red-tailed boa. Come on. Maybe. That was the nicest takedown I think. Oh, hello. Just as I was saying, I think it's the nicest takedown I've ever seen. Definitely wrapped it up. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Gorgeous. Great takedown. I don't think that was the gentlest takedown I've ever seen, though. Updated. It's a good one, though. Alright, we are going to try and feed the other one because looks like someone else is hungry too. You interested? Yeah? Maybe? Kinda? Iffy? Do you need some Italian seasoning? Oh, alright, well we're gonna try a live one with this one. So, I've got my special helper, who will not be named, dropping in the live one. And of course, because YouTube is sensitive, we will edit this out until it gets to the good part. Awesome. Magic of editing. You didn't see a thing, and now it's eating. It's like magic. I saw the whole thing, though. Nature's brutal. And now we feast. We're checking back. I'd say probably about halfway through the meal here. And not liking me being this close. Hissing at me. I mean, I don't blame him. I don't really like people up in my face when I'm eating, but, you know. Got a little bit more, and still not started. Yeah, well. I see your face. Only got a little bit more. I believe in you. beautiful. And gulp. Well, this one just finished eating. Go put it back in its enclosure. Oh, looks like we have some movement on this front. But I'm actually going to check back in a little bit while I put the other one back in its enclosure to enjoy digesting its meal. Our next beautiful specimen is the Florida king snake, and I'm pretty sure that it is already smelling this pinky that we have here for it. Awesome. And there we go, it struck. This is great. Crazy to see all the muscles working and just how much these can really accommodate as far as their prey goes. I mean, you can definitely see where that mouse is now. Oh, only the tail. Look at the scales stretch. It's incredible. Oh, just a little tail peeking out, and we have eaten our meal. Checking back in. We're making progress. Look at you go. It only took you the better part of like 20 minutes. But we have completed this meal, and now to put this beautiful specimen back in its enclosure to, just like the other one, digest and relax. Alright guys, so thank you again for watching this video, checking out the feeding of some of the snakes we have. And again, normally we do frozen instead of live. We do use live occasionally just because some snakes, when we first get them, are accustomed to that, but we do like to try to get them on the frozen. But again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, look us up on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all the fun places, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!